That's hot.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tianna Lashay. Are you gonna introduce yourself?
I'm Kai.
This is my niece Kai. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang, y'all. I am terrified.
I'm excited.
Terrified. We're doing a spicy noodle mukbang. So we have 3 different ones. We have Flamin' Hot Cheeto mac and cheese.
And then we have Tapatio extra spicy ramen.
And last but not least, I don't even know how you say this, buldak.
Just show 'em.
Hot chicken ramen extreme. If you guys hear screaming in the background, that's my nephew.
It's my baby brother.
So what are we gonna try first?
Let's do the mac and cheese.
Alright, we're gonna try this. You opened it?
I was
Girl.
I was trying to see if I could smell it.
So we're gonna be rating them on how hot they are.
So the spiciest is 10.
Yeah, spicy sweet 10. We're gonna rate it on how it tastes. And then it'll be, would you eat it again, yes or no?
We're gonna go get our beverages.
We gotta go get our beverages because I know it's gonna be hot.
We got our beverages. I got Kool-Aid. She has passion fruit.
If you don't know about this juice,
This is mine.
you need to get tapped in because. But yeah, we're prepared for the heat. I'm nervous. Are you nervous?
Kind of. I'm excited and nervous.
It's already a lot. I'm not a spicy person. This is Miss Spicy, icy. Like that's not me at all.
How many more seconds?
I don't know.
Sorry.
20.
19, 18,
It's like boiling
17,
in there.
16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
You was way off.
2, 1.
Okay. That's what the noodles are like spirally. Alright.
He's not.
He probably smells the noodles. Alright, we're gonna smell. I don't like how it smells.
It smells like cheese.
Guys, it's like
Red.
fire red. Hot tamale red.
I'm on fire, hot tamale.
Alright. Oh my gosh. Kai, we're gonna be in the bathroom. You know what, low key? I feel like
It doesn't
it's
even-
watery.
Pour some juice out.
No, I'm gonna put it back in the microwave.
Bruh.
Okay, we're gonna say best for last, so we're gonna do the hot and spicy cocktail next. I don't know what that smells like.
I don't know. I don't like the smell.
Okay,
Alright, y'all.
pray for us. I'm not gonna give that much because I don't even like cheese. Wait. Okay.
It tastes like hot chips, but like.
Hotter.
Alright, what do you rate it?
I give it. I think I'm gonna give it a 6.5.
Alright, 6. I agree with that. Taste? What do you rate the taste?
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Where was I gonna rate the 6.5?
We're supposed to do how hot it is, how it tastes, and when we get it again.
Okay.
So your taste is 6.5?
Yes. What's yours?
I give it a 6. Would I get it again? If it wasn't nothing else to eat, like nothing, I probably still wouldn't even get it again.
I don't want to get it again either.
Alright, hotness now. Where do you rate
Hotness? Okay, so it's hotter than hot Cheetos. I'm just gonna say that.
It's not hotter than hot Cheetos. Like, I'm fine. Do you feel like you need to get a drink?
No.
No.
Like, it's not that, okay, so hot Cheetos aren't hot in general, but I feel like it's like 2 times hotter than hot Cheetos. Like, it's not even that bad. But the spice level, I'll probably give it a 3.
Spice? I feel like cup of noodles with hot sauce is harder than this, so I'd give it like a 2. Well, okay.
I'll give it a 3.
No, because my tongue is kind of burning, so I'd say like 3, 4.
I give it a 3 because when I took my first bite, it was like hot, but now it's like wore off me.
It tastes like Cheetos, like it kind of has like that cheesy flavor. Ooh, I was gonna drink this, Lord have mercy. But
That would have been funny.
it's not super hot, like. I'm kind of disappointed. If you want to try the Cheetos Flamin' Hot Mac and Cheese, you can find it at your local grocery store.
We got this from, well, she got it from Lucky's. We got all our
Stuff
noodles
from Lucky's, so.
Yeah.
That's that. If you ain't got the Lucky's, I don't know what to tell you. All right, next is Mi Amigo Tapatio ramen noodle soup, extra spicy, y'all. I'm kind of nervous.
I'm kind of
with this
nervous for that one.
I'm not gonna lie.
Opened it.
Real fast before you microwave, this is what it looks like.
Okay.
There are some veggies in there, like top ramen.
It smells like normal tapatio, but like less spicy.
Really? Girl.
A few moments later.
It's ready!
It's filled in the microwave.
Oh, snap. I kind of messed up the setup. But come back to you guys when tapatio's ready.
We're gonna see how this one goes. We cooked it in the microwave, but the noodles don't look. You know when you make top ramen and the noodles be done, but not done.
You don't put top ramen in the microwave.
They know what I'm talking about. Cup noodle, top ramen. Is you ready or not?
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh. Okay, you go first. Since your fork wanted to just take over my fork. Are you gonna eat the onion?
No.
She never eats the vegetables. It's temperature hot. Let them do it. But it's not temperature hot to you?
I didn't eat it.
Girl, that was hot.
It already has a spice.
I'm
Everything
not
is
really
nice.
Spicy though. I feel like the juice might be hot. We'll have to try the juice, but the noodles aren't hot to me.
Has the spice. Everything nice. Okay, what do you rate it? The taste.
I gotta taste the juice first.
No, I'm just talking about the noodle. You just have to take.
The noodles don't have enough juice. I need to taste the juice. I like these noodles because they're skinnier than the cup of noodles. Alright, I'm gonna try the juice, y'all.
It's not even spicy. What, yo? My dog, Oreos, under the table. I'm not trying it. My tongue's gonna burn.
It's not hot.
Temperature hot?
Like it is, but below it, but it's not spicy hot.
I wasn't talking about spicy.
You want me to get you a spoon?
I'm gonna get a spoon.
Yeah, I feel like the noodles aren't hot, you guys. But the juice is kind of spicy, but it's still not. For this to be extra hot, I'm not, like, it's not giving what it was supposed to give. Truly.
Okay. No, yeah. Tastes like soup.
Tastes like cup of noodle soup.
No, it tastes like Benihana soup.
I wasn't gonna go that far. I'm not even regular cup of noodle juice.
I don't drink the normal cup of noodle juice. Okay, so the taste What do you give it? Because I went first last time.
Taste. I give it a cool 7.
I give it a 7. 7.5.
Low key, I want to say that I feel like the hot Cheetos one is hotter than this.
Yeah.
That's what
I'll give it a...
And for this to be Tapatio extra spicy, like,
It's not giving what it's supposed to give.
it's not giving what it's supposed to give, I'm telling you.
I'll probably give it a 2.8. Like, you can taste a little tea, but it's not, like, really spicy. But I feel like
This had my tongue burning. This don't.
this one, it wasn't really spicy, but it was, like, more spicy than this. Tapatio is hot itself. And then for this, it's supposed to be extra hot. Like she said, it's not giving what it's supposed to get. But,
I'll give this in terms of hotness a 2. What would we give the other one, a 3?
yeah.
That's a 2.
It was like,
Would I get it again? Yeah.
would
It's
I
good.
eat it again? Yes. It was actually good.
I think I like this more than regular cup of noodles. The noodles are, I don't know, something about the noodles.
I would probably eat this more than cup of noodle because I wouldn't have to put the hot sauce in it.
Oreo. You can't have noodles,
I'm
though.
about to...
Last but not least is going to be the Big Kahuna. 2 times the spice, buldak, hot chicken ramen, extreme.
That looks spicy. Okay, so this is my brother that kept screeching.
Shout you.
Brother review. Woo. Hi, Woo. Hi, Woo. Go, Woo. Go, Woo. Go, Woo. Go, Woo. Go, Woo. Go, Woo. Okay, y'all, so she went to go put my brother in the suite. The noodles, and they look like this. They look like normal chicken noodles because we gotta put the packets in. We're gonna put the sauce, and it's like normal. It's like the flakes. That's what it said.
2,000 years later.
Did you put the stuff in?
No. Oh.
Oh, wait, we're supposed to drain the water. All right, hold on. We gotta do that. Yeah. Thanks. Okay, that'll work. Because I was wondering why there's so much water in there. But that'll work.
Okay. Come back to you guys when you put the noodles out. Tony.
Not all of them.
What do you mean not all? So you poured some out?
Yeah, they slipped through the thing. I was trying to hold it closed and they slipped through.
Aye.
Bummer, dude.
Yeah, that's a big bummer, dude.
And like, I couldn't even save them because they fell in the dishwasher drain. This is what's But it was an accident. I was trying to drain. Okay, I literally went like this, trying to hold it to drain
You
the
need
water, and they fell through the side. And I was trying to hold it like this.
You should.
Okay, now these are gonna be hot because for one, we have less noodles. Where'd the scissors go? Yo, get away from the baby, yo.
Oh my gosh. Ew. Why the seeds? It's seeds and seaweed.
Sesame seeds. Go. This is gonna be hot because
This looks like blood.
we have way less noodles.
Mm-hmm. Way less.
Okay, wait, taste the sauce.
Tastes different. That's hot. I don't even have that much juice.
Passion fruit?
Sure. Why not? Ooh.
It's green now.
Ew. Okay, whatever. Wait.
That is hot. Like the...
Oh my gosh. Sorry, y'all. I had to do that.
Like the back of my...
My throat hurt. to get through this.
I don't even want to eat this.
You know what? I'm gonna
My
do it.
lip is on fire. The back of my throat and the top of my throat is on fire.
I'm doing it. It's like easier to grab. Come on now.
The sauce did have a hint of sweetness, bro. My finger is burning. That's crazy. Okay.
I prayed for myself. Protect me. And
Heat on a scale of 1 to 10.
the sauce, I give it a 9.
I was literally gonna say 9 because this.
Get out of my head, dude. Okay.
Y'all, my lip. This little piece of my lip.
Woo! Oh!
I haven't even ate the noodles. I'm so scared. You should make your mom eat this because she was saying that ramen Jaden had wasn't that hot.
Oh, my tongue. My tongue hurts.
I think it would be less hot if we had more noodles. My bad, y'all. Oops. And I tell y'all, my tongue right now, this is like a 7. My mouth is like at a 7 right now. It ain't nothing in my mouth.
Oh.
Are you gonna get your milk?
He needs some milk.
Ah.
My lips hurt, Kai. Your lips hurt?
I'm about to be chugging milk. I want to eat more.
I want to eat more, but like it's so hot.
So the taste is like, okay, so they're good. It's just they're spicy. Like, we should get my mom's reaction to this.
It's just spicy chicken. We want to get your opinion. Here, I'll bring it to you.
It's too fucking hot. Shit. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
I have sauce under my nail, you guys, and it burns. That's how hot these are.
I'm gonna take another bite. My mom took a big bite too. Oh, my lip.
Want some milk?
No, I shouldn't have fucking ate it. I missed something in the dog. That was mine.
We didn't lie.
Well, my sister didn't like them because they're too hot. Bless you. Her lips are burning. My lips still burning.
My mouth, my whole
I'm
mouth.
not eating no more of that.
Throw the whole thing away.
I mean, would I get them again? Yes, but not this 2 times the spicy. No. The taste, I give it an 8. It's so spicy that it's hard to eat. I want to eat something that makes my lip burn. Well, that's all we have for this mukbang, guys. Comment down below.
Which one would you eat?
Comment down below if you've had any of these. Oh, can't forget Old Nasty. Comment down below if you've had these and let us know your thoughts. I don't want to eat nothing else spicy
I'm not
for a week.
eating this for the TikTok. I already took like 2 to 3 bites.
Way too hot. We'll catch you guys on the next mukbang.